Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the alarm or the hourly beep on your Seiko chronograph watch. This is a vintage 1980s Seiko Alarm Chronograph, so a digital Seiko watch. As you can see, we have here the sign that the alarm is on, and what you need to do is to press both buttons at the same time. So the buttons on the right, and you can see that now we have the hourly beep. Then we are going to press once again and we have both the alarm and the hourly beep. And if I press it once again, you can see that everything has disappeared. So guys, that was the quick tutorial on how to turn on and off the alarm on your Seiko Alarm Chronograph watch. If you also want to turn it on, you can see that you can press both. You are going to hear a small beep, and that means that at this point the alarm is on. So guys, if you want to watch the full guide on how to use all the functions and features on these vintage 1980s or 1990s Seiko Alarm Chronograph watches, I'm going to have a full guide on how to do that, so make sure to check the link in the description box below. And if you found value from this video guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I'm going to see you on the next video.